Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to remove liked videos on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. In the playlist section, click on the View All button. All your YouTube playlist will be shown here. Click on Liked Videos playlist. This playlist shows all the videos that you have liked on YouTube. To delete videos from this playlist, click the three-dot icon next to it. Select Remove from Liked Videos from the pop-up menu. Similarly, you can delete other videos from the playlist. Unfortunately, you don't have the option to delete multiple videos at once from this playlist. This is how you can remove liked videos on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.